Life does not always move fast. Sometimes life moves slowly. Sometimes things take time. Today, Rahul and Ananya talk slowly about learning patience in life. Through their soft conversation, you will learn English calmly, gently, step by step.
Hello, Ananya.
Hello, Rahul.
You look thoughtful today.
Yes, I am thinking about patience.
That is a deep topic.
Yes, but also important.
What does patience mean to you?
Patience means waiting calmly. It means not getting angry quickly.
Not getting worried quickly.
Yes, staying peaceful inside.
Do you find patience difficult?
Yes, very difficult.
Why?
Because I want results fast.
We all do.
When things take time, I feel stressed.
I understand.
The mind becomes restless.
We wait a lot in life.
Yes, we wait for success.
We wait for dreams.
We wait for good days.
Waiting is part of life.
But patience makes waiting easier.
Patience brings peace.
Yes, peace in the mind.
When we are patient,
We feel lighter.
we think clearly.
We make better decisions.
Patience keeps the heart calm. Do you think patience helps us grow?
Yes, slowly.
Growth takes time.
Just like plants.
Plants do not grow in one day.
Life also needs time.
And patience helps us stay strong. We must be kind while waiting.
Kind to others?
Yes, and kind to ourselves.
I like that.
Patience is not only waiting.
It is waiting, with kindness.
Patience and hope walk together.
Yes, hope keeps patience alive.
Hope says, good things will come.
Hope gives strength.
Hope keeps us moving.
This talk made me feel calm.
Me too.
I will try to be more patient.
I will try to.
Slowly, gently.
Step by step.
Like life.
Like English learning. Patience is power. Patience is peace. Through slow conversation, gentle words, and soft emotions, you learned English, and you learned patience.